Thanks for watching BluePay's Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains video series. In this 8-part series, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about BluePay's Assure By payment processing plugin. This is the first video in the series where we will walk you through the installation of the plugin and show you how to set up your processing and how to add new payment methods. Before we can set up your plugin, you will need to contact BluePay's integration support team to request the materials that you will need for installation. You'll receive an email from BluePay that includes a chunk file or a CNK file. Place the chunk file directly into the Microsoft Dynamics Great Plains directory. The file will automatically be installed the next time you log into the plugin application. Once installed, you'll need to set up your plugin. To do this, click on the Microsoft Dynamics GP menu on the top left corner. Click on Tools, Setup, Company, then Company. Once this company screen pops up, go to the Additional tab and click Assure By Processing Setup. From this screen, click Registration. Here, you will need to input the registration keys you received from BluePay. Click Save. You'll notice that once the registration keys are updated, other fields on this screen will soon become available to you. Input your user ID and password that you received from BluePay. You will also need to select what kind of payment settings and features you'd like to include in your processing. Simply select the checkboxes next to the functions you would like to take advantage of. Have any questions about these functions and what they do? No problem. Just take a look at the plugin documentation. All these functions will be covered in detail. Once the processing setup is completed, click Save. Next, we'll need to set up new credit cards into your system. We will need to do this in two places: in the Microsoft Dynamics GP setup, and also within the Assure By payment plugin setup. First, we'll start with the GP setup. To do this, click on the GP menu on the top, scroll down to Tools, Setup, Company, then click on Credit Cards. First, give your credit card a name. Make sure that you select the box that reads Accepted from Customers. Select Charge Card. On the right, you'll enter the correct account to link it to. Usually this will be something like Credit Card Receivables Account. Click Save. Now we'll set this up within the Assure By payment processing plugin. You should receive a prompt upon saving. Within the Assure By user ID field, make sure you select the current BluePay user ID. If for any reason you use multiple BluePay merchant accounts, then you will need a unique user ID for each one. Next, select which BluePay card type you want linked to this Great Plains card. You can leave the final field unchanged and click Save. If you already have credit cards set up within your Great Plains systems and you just want to link them to your Assure By plugin, click on the Microsoft Dynamics GP menu on the top left. Scroll down to Tools, Setup, Company, then click Company. Next, scroll over to the Additional tab and click Assure By Processing Setup. Next, click on the Credit Card Setup button. Click the magnifying glass to select which credit card you'd like to link to Assure By. Select the card type, then click Save. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Microsoft Dynamics GP videos. If you have any questions about this plugin, please contact BluePay's integration support team at integrationsupport@bluepay.com or give us a call at 800-350-2684.